Guys, I can't believe I'm saying this, but the bullnose Bronco is officially complete. What's going on, guys? Thank you guys for tuning in. Justin's Customs on yet another video of my 82 bullnose Bronco here behind me. If you guys are new, this is what it used to look like when I got it about a year ago, and this is what it looks like now. If you guys have been following, you can tell I'm addicted to color matching everything. Being a painter, I just love when everything's one uniform color. Well, as good as it looks, I'm ready to change it up. This Eruption green Bronco here behind me, I think will look really good with some tan or bronze accents. So what we're gonna do in today's video, we're gonna Raptor line the cap, the bumpers, and the bull bar. I'm still not 100% sure if I wanna put that on there or not, but I probably will. But regardless, we're gonna Raptor line it anyways, just in case I do wanna put it on there. So we're gonna give this Eruption green a nice tan or bronze accent color today. As you can tell, I'm currently in the process of getting this thing sanded and buffed. It is completely sanded down with 1500 grit and then 3000 grit. But I gotta stop this because that nice sunshine outside is gonna end tomorrow. And I gotta spray this stuff, and I'm dang sure not doing it inside. So we got ourselves 1 full gallon, 4 liters if you will, of Tenable Raptor liner. And this is a color we're going with. Prepare yourself. Whew. This through a Raptor liner should be sick. I wanted like a more modern, I don't know if I want to say bronze, brown, tan, whatever you want to call this. But I think it's going to look really good through some Raptor liner, personally. All the old Eddie Bauers obviously have like the bright tan. I just wanted to be something a little different. It's not brown. I guess it kind of looks brown there. But it's not fully brown or fully tan. It's actually called Late Autumn Wood. And it's actually a Chevy color, which is ironic because my red Bronco is also a Chevy color. We're going to see how this color looks against some green here. Oh, yeah. I think that's going to look really good. And I hope so because it's already bought and mixed up. So we're going to see what she looks like through some Raptor liner regardless. All right, so right here we got our bumper components. I ended up getting a new front bumper because my other one was dented in here quite a bit. So instead of fixing it, I just got this guy for 75 bucks. This beefy homemade bumper was actually off of this when I first got it. But we obviously did without it and did a roll pan. So I think this will look perfect being an off-road rig she's about to be. And last but not least, we got the bull bar up here. Got to take the lights off, obviously. Not sure if I'm going to keep that on there, but while I'm spraying it, I might as well do it just in case I do keep it. And lastly, the cap is on the other side of the garage, but I'm going to go ahead and focus on these parts first. All right, guys, we got everything ready to spray. That little spider. And get off of there. Oh, dang, he's fast. Good grief. Anyways, we had everything ready to spray here. Cap's masked off. Got the bull bar stripped down. Chrome bumper stripped down pretty good. I just use a flat disc on my grinder and then use 80 grit on that. And then same thing on here. I use a grinder with a flat disc and a regular grinding disc. This thing is pretty rough. I swear this thing's 200 pounds. It is the heaviest freaking bumper ever. But this stuff's ready to spray. Just got to wipe her down, and we're going to be shooting some tan or bronze bed liner. We are ready to rock and roll here, guys. Got everything wiped down, everything set up. We got a lot of bare metal here, so first we're going to spray some self-edge primer, then we're going to spray a Raptor liner. All right, guys, we are ready to spray. As you see, we got our color here. We got a Raptor liner and our hardener. We're gonna crack this bad boy open. Crack this bad boy open. All you gotta do is add a little bit of paint in here. Whatever feels right to your heart. That feels somewhat good. And then it actually comes with a measuring device. Measure up to 8 mil or ounces, whatever that is. Okay. And then pour this in here. Okay. Then you mix it up, and then it goes right onto your gun, and you're ready to spray. after you get done shaking for 13 hours straight. What's she look like? Ooh, that's gonna look good. Hope so, because we're gonna do it anyways. Guess we'll find out. All right, we got the gun. Gonna do a little spray out here. That looks cool. Oh yeah. All right, let's do it. Don't be looking at my dogs. All right, guys, this stuff came out so freaking good. This is the exact color I imagined whenever I said I was gonna do an accent color to the green. Not like tan, but not like brown. I guess it does kind of look brown, but regardless, I think it looks fantastic. All this stuff came out really good. Got both bumpers here, the bull bar. I'm probably gonna put it on, not sure yet. I put quite a bit of work into that thing and it looked really nice, but we're gonna see. The cap, I had to do a pretty heavy second coat. As you see in the first coat, just looked really stripy. It wasn't covering for crap. The top still looks a little stripy, but you're never gonna see that. I really don't care. But everything looks really good. Got it unmasked. We can't put this stuff on yet though. I gotta finish buffing the truck because obviously it's completely sanded and ready for a buff. So we're gonna finish buffing that thing and we're gonna put these pieces on and see how she looks. After about 47 hours, I accidentally turned my mud truck into a show truck. Holy. But I think that is the perfect color to go with this Eruption green. Like I said before, that is called Autumn Wood Metallic. It's a Chevy color, but I don't care. It's kind of funny because that one right there is also a Chevy color. Have two problems here. I have two bumpers obviously to put on it. I can't put the front bumper on because I don't have bolts. I can't.
Then Dad recognized something.
I can't put the rear bumper on is because some idiot cut the frame and the bolt holes for the bumper were a part of that cut. And now I don't know how I'm going to put a bumper on.
Oh, we'll fab something up.
And I'm pretty sure I threw those pieces away or put them in the scrap pile and it's just gone.
I mean, you made a good cut over there. I mean, there was half, 3/4 of that hole over there.
What an idiot. Yeah, so whenever we were putting it on, we were running into tailgate light hitting right here. So I said, oh, I'll just hack it off. No big deal. Don't need that frame anyways. I didn't think about bumper going on. All right, guys, making some good progress here. Got the dash pad and door panels painted over there. They're drying in the sun. Got the windshield. I picked it up yesterday. I got a brand new windshield. It's completely tinted. It's outside. That's going in tomorrow. Got the mirrors back on here. As you guys see, we got the cap on. The color looks really good. Next, we got some hardware. We're going to go ahead and throw the bull bar bumper
Combo.
on.
It's hot.
It's very hot. We're struggling out here today, not going to lie. But I also thought up of the perfect name for the bull nose. So it's obviously a bull nose. It's green. What animal is green? What do you think, Cameron? What animal's green?
I mean, I like frogs.
Frogs. Isn't there a famous frog or name? Kermit? No.
Dun. Jeremiah was a bullfrog. Bum, bum, bum.
Jeremiah was the bull nose. So, guys, I think I might be naming the bull nose Jeremiah.
Ain't no thinking. You just do it. I love it.
It's named Jeremiah. So, we got a name for it. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I think I was over eating dinner one day or something. I'm like, you know what? Jeremiah was the bull nose.
This frog came hopping across the floor, and you're like, hey, what are you doing here, bullfrog?
Yeah. Jeremiah, what up? All right, we're going to get back to work. But Jeremiah is the new name. So.
This is going to look so good. Oh, go in slow.
No kidding. You're got brand new.
Does that help with balance there, or what's the deal?
That got window right there. It's blocking my view. It's so freaking bright. So I'm trying to block it with my foot. Oh, yep, that was good.
Brother.
Yep.
I can hold her in now, right? All right, so we got the bumper mocked up here. And we're used to, roll pans and stuff, and...
Yeah, look how clean the brake nose looks. Look how clean the OBS looks. I look at this, is all I see. It's not, I don't know.
But it's a step bumper, that's what they do.
I've never liked big, bulky, just bumpers.
How's that?
That's all I see.
Reverse buck teeth.
Right.
It's fine.
We got her on there. It looks pretty good. Let's step back and look at it. It don't look awful, does it? I don't think so. But all the bedline components are on. Bumper, cap, bumper, bull bar. We're all accented up.
Jeremiah looking good.
Jeremiah's looking real good. Windshield's going in. It was supposed to go in today, but it's going to go in tomorrow instead. We just got a windshield and then a visor. And this thing is going to look like a complete truck. Come on. Yeah. Guys, I can't believe I'm saying this, but the bullnose Bronco is officially complete. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, shoot, I don't even want to lean on this thing. The past 5 months, I have lived in this very garage, in this very spot. Way too long. I guess it was all worth it. This freaking Bronco's done, guys. I cannot be happier with how this thing came out. Exactly 1 year ago, this thing looked like it belonged in a scrapyard. And now it's completely rust-free. And what I thought was going to be a mud truck is way too nice to be a mud truck now. But we're still going to make it a mud truck. We're still going to have fun in it. I'm going to jump it. It's going to get buried in the mud holes. Hopefully not drag tree limbs down the side of it because I probably shed a tear or two. But this thing is still going to be my off-road rig, even though it looks dang good. We got the interior all together. This thing is a complete truck now. It looks very good. Don't mind the battery down there. Even though this one's looking real good. My brick nose got jealous of me working on it, and now it's got a dead battery. So I got to charge it at my work tomorrow. But this thing looks freaking awesome. I think the light brown accent fits this Eruption green perfect. All the old Broncos, you know, has the bright tan accents, Eddie Bowers and everything. I think that's a nice modern touch to it. But this is completely backwards from everything I'm used to doing. I'm used to color matching, shaving. Everything's nice and smooth and sleek with the color match. This goes against everything that I usually do. It's got the beefy bull bar, big beefy bumper back here. I usually don't like these giant bumpers, but it works. It came with Bailey's Bronco, the purple one over there when I first got it. So it was a free bumper for the Bronco. Budget build. Oh, and that's another thing. I built this thing for under $6,000. I'm at like $5,900. So the fact that I have a completely rust-free running and driving Bronco for $6,000, pretty happy with that. I'll throw up the whole like build sheet. I've been logging every dollar I spend on this thing. So this Bronco you see right here is $6,000. So I was wanting to do it for $5,000, but things get a little pricey. You got to buy extra things you don't think about here and there. The tires were the big ouch. That was almost $700. I had to buy extra paint. I didn't think about paying for the windshield, whatnot. Speaking of the windshield, my buddy Johnny just put that in. Huge shout out to my buddy Johnny Auto Glass. He hooked me up with the windshield, put it in, took it out very fast. Couldn't be happier. So thank you a lot for Johnny for doing my windshield for me. But let me know in the comments what you guys think of this thing. It was an absolute blast and pain in my butt building this Bronco, but thank you guys for tuning in to the whole build. If you did, and if you didn't, I got a whole playlist on building it from start to finish from when I got it last year. So thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe to Justin's Customs, and it's time to have some fun with this thing. So we'll stop working and start playing.